In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a techno drop from scratch. Let's start off with the drums. First, pick a kick from the new bunker pack. Let's use this one. Also set the tempo to 140 BPM. Then we're gonna pick a rumble sound from the pack to fill up that low end. Just drag and drop. Really solid foundation already. Now we're gonna bring out the low end of the rumble a little bit more. First we need to find the frequency of the scale we're gonna work in. I think we're gonna work in A minor, so that's 55 Hertz. Then add in an R bass and boost it at 55. As you can hear, this makes a rumble tonal, just like this. And then to finish it off, we're gonna add in a head loop. Let's use this one. Sound it like this. Then slightly mix it. Just get the volumes right. Just like this. So if you want to know how the head loop and rumble is made, I will link down the tutorial as well down below, so make sure to check it out. So that's a solid foundation. Now we're gonna spice it up some more with some dongs. Pick a preset from the new bunker pack. The pack contains a lot of step sounds as well, so let's use this one. And place it right here. Then we need to mix it some more. Of course, get rid of the low end because we have the rumble bass playing. And a sidechain as well. And spread it out a little bit more with some reverb. Just like this. Then we're gonna duplicate the serum and edit another step sound. We'll be using an acid sound. This one. And place it right here. Something like this. Really fills it up some more. Then duplicate it again. And layer it with a resound. We'll be using this fill after every 4 bars. Yeah, just like this. Again, makes it a bit more interesting. Then another preset. Really stacking those sounds to keep it interesting. Let's use this one. And play a steady note with it. And mix it on a new mixer channel. First some distortion. OTT. Really destroy the sounds. Low cut as well. Dip a bit of the hi-hat and of course sidechain it. And mix it in. At a really low volume. Just like this. So that's a really solid foundation. Now we want to layer it with a lead sound to make it a bit more melodic. So again, pick a preset from the pack. Let's use this one, run it to a new mixer channel. And mix it some more. Bit of distortion. OTT. Low cut. and dip it around here. Bit of reverb. And delay. And of course a sidechain as well. Then we need to dive in the MIDI. So we're gonna use a really common, simple technique in techno and melodic techno. By walking down the scale. Start off on a root note, then go up to the 6th note of the scale. And bump it up an octave. And then go down to the 5th, so from the 6th, 5th, and 4th. Yeah, that's really solid. And again, mix it in. Just like this. Then we're also going to tweak the mod wheel. Create an animation clip. Let it open up during the last 4 bars. Just like this. And I want to add an ambience to it as well. Let's use this one. And pitch it in key. So just bump it up 3 semitones. And mix it in. Just like this. So then the only thing that's left to do is create a small build up with it. And arrange the drop. So let's start by duplicating the kick and bass together with the other synth elements. But we're gonna filter them, so route them all to a bus channel. And add a filter to it. Just like this. Also duplicate a mod wheel. Yeah, just like this. Then we need to get rid of the low end as well. So let's drop in a EQ on a master channel. Just like this, and create a fill at the end of the drop as well. Sounding like this. Which is a bit empty right now, so we're gonna drop in a vocal from the pack. Open up the vocal tabs.
She asked me for heavy drums on a lock. I sleep.
Let's use this one. Fit it to the tempo.
I sleep when I'm sober. I dance when I'm high. I got ketamine in my bloodstream and my city's drive is high. I sleep when I'm sober. I dance when I'm high. I got ketamine in my bloodstream and my city's drive is high.
Also create a small fill right here. Just like this. So that's how you make a techno drop from scratch. I think it turned out really dope, so let me know what you think about it as well in the comments. Besides that, if you like the video, please drop a like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and I see y'all in the next videos.